down there since he lost Loretta. And since they keep the weight, they have the money.
So Bubba's talking to Lulu. He's looking for the replacement for Loretta.
And she said,
and not only does Lula
she just fell out the boat?
Have the same build and look of Loretta, she's also got a lot of the same interests. And Bubba just has to find out. He comes right out and asks her, do you use chewing tobacco? And Lula tells him, oh no, I could never stand the stuff. Well, there's one difference. Loretta liked her chewing tobacco. Always made Bubba get her the more expensive stuff. He really hated it. You know, after she was tortured, when she made him put the stuff in. So it's one thing for him to do it for himself, but he suspects that was what she was doing, when she fell out the boat, getting rid of the stuff. I'm John Melton. Come see me in person. Get copies of all my latest videos here in Los Angeles. Let's make a few too.